Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverline's Beauty Playbook. I feel really excited that this has finally happened in my life. I actually found a shampoo. Before we get into the video, I'll tell you guys about my look today. Hair is by me, relaxed hair. So 2 clips, just kind of hold down the new growth a little bit, keep it cute. And then I twisted like, I guess the first half of my hair. Kind of did like a little twisting there and a little twisting there, and then the other half, like the back half, just kind of laid it down just to create some kind of volume in the hair. I'm feeling it. Yes. My lips, I mixed 3 colors this time around: pink, velvet, buffy, and xenon. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I have found a shampoo for me. One of the reasons why I didn't like the shampoo was the feeling I got after shampooing. My hair felt matted sometimes, and it just wasn't working, and that's why I ended up being more of a co-washer than a shampooer. I was shampooing maybe once a month, sometimes once every 2 months, and I just go by a feeling, to be honest. There's a feeling that I get in my hair. Sometimes you can almost feel the gunk in it. You can almost feel like the not so freeness, and sometimes you just want a good nice stripping just to kind of restart and refresh. That's when I shampoo. That's why the first shampoo container that I had, it lasted me about 3 years, my first 3 years of my hair journey, because I wasn't shampooing as much. But now that I have found a shampoo, I'm shampooing a lot more, or I'm just more open to the idea of shampooing now. So I'm still co-washing. I always co-wash after any shampoo anyway, but it's nice to know that if I need to shampoo, it's not a big deal. This shampoo is by Carol's Daughter, and it's the Monoi Repairing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. It says the Monoi oil will condition, hibiscus extracts will detangle, and then the coconut sulfant, gosh, can't get it right, will cleanse. After one use, there's 98% less breakage. This shampoo is amazing. I love the shampoo. I feel clean and not so stripped at the same time. The feeling of cleanliness, sometimes you can't really grade it, because some days you feel clean and raw. Sometimes you feel clean and you feel like you took off all your skin with it. This makes me feel clean, and I'm still holding on to some oils or just something in my hair, because my hair, it doesn't feel as matted. Let me tell you guys how I ran across this product. So after my first shampoo, after I was done with it, I didn't want to commit to another shampoo so soon. As a flight attendant, I'm privy to like little containers of shampoo from every different hotel that I stay in. So I was using shampoos from here and there. So I was going to buy my hair conditioner from Carol's Daughter. I shop on their website. They have my email, so whenever they have sales, I get a little alert and I go in there and I do what I need to do. And then usually they always send me samples, just little sachet of stuff, you know, try this, try that. So when my products finally came in the mail, I'm looking and I see basically like this mega sample size of the product. They basically sent me the whole Monoi repairing line. I hope I'm getting that Monoi right. They sent me the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, and a leave-in conditioner spray treatment. I was looking at the whole sample. I even asked Baby Boy, I was like, does this look like a lot of a sample? Because to be honest, the conditioner that came with the sample, I used it at least 3 times. And you know you never get multiple uses out of a sample. The hair mask just once, because it came in a little small travel jar. The shampoo, I used at least 4 times. And then the hairspray mask, I used that like at least, I mean, I couldn't even wait to get rid of it because it was so much stuff. And I was like, this is quite a sample. And that's how I fell in love with the product. So the product literally came knocking at my door. Out of the product line they sent me, I really truly enjoyed the shampoo and also the hair mask. Carol's Daughter's products are very, very expensive. To me, they're expensive because this shampoo originally retails for $20. Like, and this is just for a 8.5 fluid ounce. To me, that's not a lot of product for 20 bucks. But when you buy on sale, they'll do half off, so you can get it as cheap as $12. You kind of see that the shampoo is pretty much, I have maybe like less than a quarter of the shampoo left. I really like the shampoo. It's creamy. It smells good. So I still co-wash. Co-washing is my baby, and I'm still using the same co-wash, but I've included this shampoo into my line and I absolutely love it. You guys know I like to give you guys abreast on everything that I'm doing that's new And I feel like I've been using the shampoo long enough to be able to tell you guys how good the shampoo is. Another thing that I want to tell you guys about that I just started, I'm trying out rice water. A lot of you guys during my alopecia time told me that I need to get back to like the basics, the naturals, the natural hair regimen type thing going on. And I'm not against anything natural. I'm really not. I just feel like sometimes natural, there's a lot of like, you know, work that goes into it. Like you have to like mash up some stuff, strain some stuff, grinds, boil. I mean, there's all these things you have to do before you get your wash day started. And when it's time for a wash day, I don't believe that I have enough time to be doing all of that. So I've started using rice water, and I think that the fact that I can shampoo now, that kind of goes hand in hand with the rice water regimen that I'm starting. But I will give you guys more of an update on how it's making my hair feel. So far, I think I love it. I'm still trying to figure out I guess the math behind it, like how often I'm supposed to do it, because rice water is kind of like a protein treatment, so you want to be careful as to how you use it, because too much of protein can be a problem. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to get you guys updated, up to date with everything that is going on with some of the products and some of the new things that I'm trying out. But I will see you guys in the next video.